Abantu value tugiraba bubi. Tugipima bubi.
We measure value wrongly.
Amina.
Amen.
Gwana tata wonga mulamu.
You has your father who is still living.
Ochimanyi nti eyo value
that is a value
esinga $100 million.
That is greater than $100 million.
Tuna chance tulako ne tato no yugera.
Have a chance of sitting with your dad and talking.
Ochimanyi nti eri abantu.
Do you know there are some people
who are billionaires,
ngaba billionaire,
but they have no peace
nenga tebalina mirembe
because
wanga
they are suffering from very difficult sicknesses.
They are
eating medicine like you eat food, and they have no peace in that. They have families that are broken. Their wives living with other men. They have no peace. But you may have little, but you are healthy. Do you know you have more value? You're more rich than the rich man who is all eaten up and finished and has no peace. So what is value? Do you know there is no money that can buy a good husband, a faithful husband? Do you know there is not enough money that can buy a faithful wife? So when you have that, do you know you have value? Value is not papers. Amen.
Amen.
Do you know the salvation we have that gives us joy and peace? Do you know this is more than billions and billions and billions of money?
Amen.
It is more than this 100 worlds. Amen. So what is value? Recently, I was in a certain country, and I was told about a preacher, a brother I knew. He was a preacher, but he had a lot of wealth. He lived a very wonderful car. He used to drive very good cars. And then he died. And after dying, his car is rotting there in the shed. His businesses are stuck. His children have no interest in Africa. They are living in America. So basically, all he labored for and he suffered for has come to naught. So what is value? We put a lot of effort and a lot of heart in buy land, build a house, buy cars, establish a big business. If all of that, the purpose is not to serve God with it, you have missed value. You have missed it. One of these days, the wheels of mortal life will stand still. Your business will stand also. And you'll never drive that vehicle again. And you'll never enjoy that bedroom again. And you'll never enjoy that farm again. Or whatever you have labored for. So what is value? Why don't you think in working to Why don't you think of your purpose on earth to be serving God? If I build a good house, oh, that I may serve God. That God's children can come here and find good, comfortable conditions. That I may get a car. I drive to go preach the gospel. Amen.
Amen.
One day when I'm no longer here, I will see those souls there shining, and I say it was worth it all. When my farm cannot benefit me, when my cows are not there, when my vehicle is not there, when my house is not there, but I have souls there that I went with to glory, I will say it was worth it all.
Amen.
That is value. Amen. God is able to give us good things. But what is the reason? What is the purpose for those good things? Why do you need them? What is the purpose?